The 2022 Ninja H2SX and H2SX SE feature an innovative onboard radar system which enables the rider to enjoy some state-of-the-art features that enhance the overall riding experience. One of these is Adaptive Cruise Control, or ACC. Unlike conventional cruise control, which stays at a set speed unless the rider manually adjusts it up or down, or disengages it, Adaptive Cruise Control automatically adjusts the vehicle speed relative to the vehicle immediately in front to maintain a set distance from a selection of 3 rider-controlled options. Another great feature is that when the vehicle immediately ahead accelerates and increases speed, so does the motorcycle, whilst maintaining the set distance until it reaches the previously selected cruising speed set by the rider. As the name suggests, it adapts the speed of the motorcycle automatically, while remembering the desired speed that the rider wishes to maintain when it is safe to do so. To operate ACC, the rider first ensures that the Adaptive Cruise Control option is selected in the menu of the TFT meter. Go to the menu by pressing the arrow on the left handlebar, then go into the vehicle settings by pressing the arrow again. Scroll down to Adaptive Cruise Control and press the arrow again to access its menu. If you press the arrow again, it will switch the ACC off and the menu will appear dark. Press the switch again and it will lighten up the ACC section, showing the options near, medium and far. Select your desired setting by pressing down or pressing the arrow. To leave the menu, simply press the reset button. To activate the cruise control, press the cruise control button on the left handlebar and determine your desired speed. The meter panel then shows 2 icons. On the right, the cruise control icon, and on the TFT meter, the ACC function initially shows 3 horizontal lines for far distance, 2 for middle and 1 for near, that look like a road stretching into the distance and a ghost image of a car. Of course, the rider can always decide to use the normal cruise control function and not ACC, as this is also possible. When a vehicle is detected ahead, the car icon illuminates green, and according to the distance between the motorcycle and this vehicle, either the Adaptive Cruise Control speed is maintained or is reduced, such as when the distance is less than that pre-selected by the rider. If the vehicle ahead increases speed again, the Adaptive Cruise Control gradually resumes the original intended speed and distance set by the rider. The rider can also control this speed in the same way that it is possible in the normal cruise control mode, using the control buttons on the left handlebar to increase or decrease the set speed. If the rider touches the front or rear brakes, presses the cruise control handlebar button during riding, or reduces the throttle beyond the 0 point, the cruise control is disengaged. If the rider operates the clutch for several seconds, the cruise control is also temporarily deactivated. However, when the rider changes gears quickly with the clutch or uses the quick shifter, the cruise control will remain in operation and activated. To disengage Adaptive Cruise Control, the rider must either press the cruise control handlebar button or go to the ACC menu. In some circumstances, the ACC will automatically disengage. For example, when the vehicle speed in each gear is below a factory preset speed ranging between 30 km per hour or 19 miles an hour for first gear and 60 km per hour or 37 miles per hour for sixth gear, or if the vehicle speed, where permitted, accelerates above 180 km per hour or 112 miles per hour. For cruise control, the maximum speed it can be set to is 200 km per hour or 124 miles per hour where permitted. And for ACC, the maximum speed it can be set to is 160 km per hour or 100 miles per hour where permitted. If the rider temporarily disengages cruise control during a ride, such as manually using the brakes, it is possible to resume the previous setting, cruising speed and desired distance setting, by pressing the cruise control reset button on the left handlebar. The onboard radar function is constantly communicating to other systems. To maintain the set relative speed between the vehicles, the ARAS system automatically adjusts engine speed and applies brake pressure to alter vehicle speed to maintain the set distance. The rider does not need to take any action. When cornering with ACC engaged, the vehicle acceleration and deceleration is controlled. That is the end of our quick adaptive cruise control tutorial video, and we hope you found it useful. Look at the links below in the description for more information on ACC and the Ninja H2SX, including other feature videos explaining more about the technical features of our most advanced sports tourer ever.